Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about events in the world of the AI crypto trading, the AI Wars Weeks. Before starting our video, request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is not a financial advice and please do your own research before investing any amount. So friends, let's begin the review. Today project is AI wars about AI wars and will take to the page. This with the nearly 88,000 100,000 in prizes and Bentley Bandgaya for the campaign. This event has almost ambitious goals and global attentions. Let's break down what it's and how works and what you need to know before think about the participating. Friends, AI Wars Week is taking part in the event, and you can see the AI Wars about the project here. So, what is the AI War? We will take to the project. The competition brings together developers, quantitative traders, AI researchers, and innovators to design AI trading strategies that operates in the real financial markets, not simulations but using actual capital and real market conditions. Participants VO2 is that complete the several things like there, and you can see the contract overviews also here, and compete over several months, and starting with the registering and coding their AI bots, moving through live markets, and finally ending with the global final events held in the Dubai. It's not just about coding, it's about the building system that makes smarter and decisions under pressure, and the rewards a massive prize pool plus a unique experience for two performers top performance and the narrator, you can see. Now let's talk about their what everyone curious about the prizes. The official hackathon offers a prize pool that in the many sources in the listed and around it is about dollar 880,000 USDT. The champion team also wins a Bentley Bentayaya and a luxury car valued and around $500,000. That's a huge incentive for tech innovators and quant around the world. So friend, beyond the top prizes, if we talk about prices pool and breakdown, you can see, and Bentley images and also their leaderboards and everything is here. So if we talk about who can participate, everyone 18 or older than legal capacity eligible for the regions, and the eligible regions and event is open to individual developers, traders, AI enthusiasts, and teams, but each person can only join one team. To compete, you must register on the designation sorry designed platform, usually through a partner like Dora Hacks, and also once approved you will get access to tools and API key and live market data to start building AI strategies. Important tips: your trading algorithm must clearly use AI logic such as generating signals and managing risk or making exceptions and decisions. Pure manual trading isn't allowed in these competitions. We talk about more this project. One of the unique thing you can see about the event is real market exposure, unlike simulations and or back testing. Participation models trades in live market, which means real volatility and price savings and executions conditions matter. These assets not only coding skills but risk management and adaptability and winning strategies need to balance performance and risk, just like is real quantitative trading firms. The competition also enforce rules. Automated on or semi-automated AI driven system are allowed, but purely manual trading is not. And if you are AI failed to prove its role, it could be disqualified. Important and safety things about the project is that before we go further, and it's important, this is not a financial or investment advice. Participating in trading, especially crypto and AI trading, carries real financial risk, and always do your own research. Also, online communities have mixed opinion and weeks as a platform. Some users participate in the experience, and they have good experience in the participations, and while other report issues with funds, accounts, and events payouts. Always check terms and service, legal eligibility, and risk policies before joining any trading platform or event. This is not a financial advice. Verify regional eligibility and compliance, and also you can see the understanding what you are doing. So if we talk about the beyond prize pool, these types of events are great for working. You will meet developers and quant traders, and through leaders from the around the world, and also you can participate in the leaders and workshop, online forums, and live meeting, and common parts of the process. For many participants, the biggest value is skill development, building AI system under competitive conditions, and receiving feedback from the expert. This is something you can add to your portfolio. So there is you have it, and AI War Weeks Alpha awakes. It's shaping up with the major AI trading events in the global reach and real markets. Big rewards, whether you are a coder or trader or just a curious about AI finance, it's worth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the AI, crypto, AI trading events, and comment below the if you have like follow up video on how to building your own step by step. Thank you very much. See you in the next video very soon.